Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Flatpress CMS on Rocky Linux 8.6. CMS stands for the Content Management System, which is the software used to manage digital content that release on the text file to store all of the data its content. So it does not require MySQL. First I am going to check the installed version of OS. This is Rocky Linux 8.6. Now I am going to install Flatpress CMS package by using wget command. Now list this. This is the file downloaded. Now I am going to unzip this zip file by using unzip command. Now list this one. This is the file which we unzipped. Now I am going to move this file to the Apache root directory by using mv command. I am going to change the ownership permission for the Flatpress directory. I am going to give the permission for Flatpress directory. Now I am going to create the virtual host for access Flatpress CMS. Now press I to the insert mode. Now I am going to mention the document root directory. Now save and quit. Now I am going to check my IP address. My IP address is 6.122. Now I am going to put the host entry. Press I to the insert mode. Now open the browser. Now search here your system IP address. This is the welcome page of Flatpress. Click next. Here give your credential. Create user. Credential. Re-enter your password. Give your mail ID. not save. Here, click in login, give your username, password. This is the dashboard of Flatpress CMS. By this, the installation of Flatpress CMS on Rocky Linux 8.6 is completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.